Hey babes, it's Jody and welcome back. Now please keep watching for the style of your life. Okay girls and boys, you might want to stay till the end of the video because I have a special surprise. Ooh, my hair looks soft today. But I partnered with Allie Grace, you guys, to give away 3 bundles of hair, so make sure you stay tuned. For our cute summer style, first we're gonna do our back ponytail, right? So I'm not using any gel. I know a lot of you guys want me to discuss or talk about Eco Styler gel. I guess I will make a video about Eco Styler gel. Is it canceled? So answer the poll in the top right hand corner and let me know if you want a video on where I stand with that. But anyways, first we're gonna do our back ponytail with edge control, my fave from my girl Lovely Brianna. So I just put the second half of my hair into a high ponytail like so. Okay guys, second step is to do your side braids. I want to build on different elements in my style and I wanted to add that African flair with the braids on the side. And you might be asking, Jody, why is that purple hair? Girl, I don't know. That's all the hair I had. That's all the braiding hair I had on hand. So we just gonna do what it do. Good thing the roots are black though. So if it has a little purple, that's okay. So you just braid those down and you're gonna add hair jewelry later. The other crazy part about these braids is that you have to braid them backwards. Now this is a weird fact about me. I can't do under cornrows like that, especially from back to front. So I had to literally twist my arm around and then do it the way I usually do it from the back of my head to the front of my head. But however you got to get this done, get it done, girl. Call your cousin or your sister. Ask her, can you do these 2 braids for me right quick? Okay, especially if you don't know how to braid. And yeah, that's the cute part. Okay, so once I have my ponytail in the back, I do my edges and I'm gonna let those dry. I'm gonna wrap it up with some wrap strips. While that's sitting, just chilling, I'm gonna add some beads to my braids. These are just filigree tubes from my local beauty supply. Okay, so boom, 2 of our 4 steps are complete. I told y'all this is so simple if you break it down into sections. Now the hardest part for me, which was not hard at all, it's probably more tedious, was to do these rubber band twists in the front or like rubber band braids. And especially since I'm showing y'all like an example style that I just made up by combining different things, it had to be neat AF. So I tried to spend a lot of time on these triangle parts for you guys. So you'll see me just being really careful. But I'll be honest with y'all, if I wasn't filming this, my parts would look so jacked up and I wouldn't care. And my rubber bands will be loose and I wouldn't care because they'll be comfortable and not too tight. So what I do to make them smooth, yes, smooth with a V, I put some edge control around it just so it can stay shiny. It will smooth any flyaways. And yeah, it just makes them nice and neat. And how did I forget this part? I totally forgot to tell y'all about my rubber bands again. You guys know I hate rubber bands with a passion. Do not use those matte rubber thick bands. I only use these clear elastics, or they have ones that are black, they're shiny. But these ones have a lot less friction and do not pull your hair out. So if you want to use those ugly black ones and be bald the next day, be my guest. But I love you and I don't want that to happen to you. So get these clear rubber bands and save those edges. Okay, thank you. All right, guys, so I'm going to continue with my triangular parts. And then I'm going to twist all my hair up, kind of feed them into each other, and then combine them at the top for my last step, which is my ponytail. Okay guys, the last step we're gonna do before we do the giveaway is to make our ponytail. Now this is a method I learned recently. It's basically attaching the extensions onto an extension ponytail. It makes it nice and sturdy. So I just took the leftover braiding hair and I just braided that down. I just winged it. It looked a little thin. Maybe I could have done it thicker, but it all worked out. So I'm gonna take my hair. This is the Ali Grace Deep Wave extensions. I'm actually gonna do a full tutorial next week, you guys, after the giveaway winner is announced. But this is their 22-inch deep wave. I had 2 of them, so I had 2 22 inches, so I used that. But for the giveaway, you can choose any texture: straight, body wave, deep wave. Which one's your favorite? Let me know. And this is how I do an invisible ponytail, or they also call it like an illusion ponytail or something of the sort. But you basically want to pin the bottom at the end or as far down as you want the ponytail to lay, because this does get a little bit longer since you're extending it all the way down. And then you just wrap it around that braid and keep wrapping it and keep wrapping it, and then you pin it occasionally. So you just do that until you've completed both bundles, until both bundles are completely wrapped around. So yeah, and I know you guys are gonna ask, but this ponytail was super lit. The only problem I would say that this can have is that it weighs down the braid. So you're gonna feel it as if it was a real ponytail. But you can always use like less hair or do the braid shorter or what have you. So, but as far as the pins being an issue, nope, they were not. They were super good. And I wore this style for about 3 days until I took it out because I'm about to install all 4 bundles into my head from Ali Grace with a closure. So y'all want to stay tuned for that video. Be sure to subscribe. So no, I don't have a problem with the pins, and I won't be getting into any fights. So if that's your lifestyle, then you might want to reconsider. And as always, you can spruce up your style. Do not be afraid. It is yours. You did it. So I put some hair jewelry on my cute little triangle rubber band thingies. And then I added this hair piece that I had. It's like a braided hair piece that you can clip on as a headband. But I just tied it around my ponytail for that cute little final touch. And here's the finished look. Now tell me this style is not bomb for summer. It's like actually my favorite so far this season. I don't know how I'm going to top this style, you guys, but give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to be one of 2 winners of 3 bundles from Ali Grace Hair, all the rules will be in the description of this video. But make sure you subscribe to this channel and then subscribe to Ali Grace Hair on YouTube. And leave a comment. Let me know what is your favorite, your all-time favorite hair texture and style. For me, that's hard. That's like asking to pick your favorite child. But let me know in the comments below for your chance to win. See the description for all the giveaway details. Make sure you're following the rules. I will announce the winners on Monday's video, so be sure to tune in, and I'll see you on my next video, whether it be this one or this one. Until then, take care. Bye.
Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best on reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean.